Selamat datang, namaskaram, and welcome to Rempah Ratus kitchen. With Onam just around the corner, shall we make a Kerala vegetarian item today? How about the Erisheri? Erisheri can be made with pumpkin, raw banana, drumsticks, snake gourd, papaya, or the elephant foot yam, which we call chana in Malayalam. I'll be making it with pumpkin and black-eyed peas. Pumpkin is low in calories and high in vitamin A. It also contains antioxidants that protect our cells against damage by free radicals. Black-eyed peas, on the other hand, are a great source of fiber and also contains vitamins and minerals. Combined with the once vilified coconut and the warm, earthy flavor of cumin seeds, the Erisheri is sure to give our taste buds a unique experience. So, get ready for the experience and join me in cooking the Erisheri. I have here 450 grams of pumpkin. The weight is after the pumpkin has been deseeded and skinned. I've cut the pumpkin into triangular pieces like this. 2 cups of scraped coconut, 200 grams of cooked black-eyed peas, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoons of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of jeera, cumin seeds, and lastly 3 stalks of curry leaves. Now the measuring cup that I used to measure the coconut is a 240 ml measuring cup. I'm firstly going to grind the 3/4 cup of scraped coconut together with the 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds to a fine paste. I'm going to use my grinding stone, my ammi, to grind this paste, but you can grind the coconut in an electric mixer. When I was growing up, I used to love to do this, and I'll always ask my mother if I could grind for her all her masalas. But most of the time she'll shoo me away asking me to go and study. But there were times when I was able to persuade her. I have my urli on the stove. I'm going to add the pumpkin. I'm going to put the pumpkin in first. I'm going to pour water enough to half cook the pumpkin. So I've got about 2.5 cups of water here. I'm going to turn the stove on. I'm going to keep it high first, and once the pumpkin begins to boil, I will reduce it to a medium flame. The turmeric powder goes in, followed by the chilli powder. Now we'll wait for this pumpkin for the water to come to a boil, and after which I will lower the flame. Now let's check if the pumpkin is half cooked. I turned the flame down to medium once after the water came to a boil. I'll just check if it's, I take a bigger piece, see whether it's cooked. Yes, it is half cooked. So the next thing that goes in is the black-eyed peas. And the salt to taste. Now I leave this, I'll cover the urli and leave the pumpkin to cook until it's done. Let's check the pumpkin and the black-eyed peas. Okay, the pumpkin looks as if it's been cooked. I'll just check it. Yes, it's cooked. Now, I'm going to add the ground paste, coconut paste now. This is the coconut and cumin paste that I ground earlier. I'm going to add this in now. And after that, I'm going to add some more water because to enable the coconut to cook, and I also want the pumpkin to break up. I'll add about 2 cups of water, hot water. I think 1.5 cups, that should do. I'm going to cover this and let the coconut cook. The flame is medium. I'm going to leave it at medium. Let's check to see if the coconut is cooked. I'm going to taste for salt also at the same time. Yes, the coconut and cumin paste is cooked and the raw taste has disappeared. Now I'm going to let this dish cook for a little longer because I want to reduce it further. The water has reduced. I'll taste it one last time and then I'll put off the flame and taste it one last time. Okay, everything is, salt is sufficient. Now we will move on to the next step, which is the step where I do the tadka or the tempering. Coconut oil is going in. I'm going to heat up the coconut oil. Going to reduce the flame to between low and medium. Add the mustard seeds. And the curry leaves. The coconut goes in next. This is the remaining coconut, 1¼ cups of scraped coconut. I'm going to reduce the flame to between low and medium. Yes. And continue to fry until the coconut turns brown. It's brown now. I'm going to turn off the flame. And the next step is to add this coconut into the cooked pumpkin and black-eyed peas. The flame is not on. I'm just mixing up the erisheri with the coconut. Now I'm going to add some water to the urli and pour that. Because there's some stuck here, I'm going to add a little bit of water and pour it into the erisheri. There's the hot water, and that is the erisheri done. Erisheri, a mandatory side dish to the Onam Sadya. That's my recipe for this week. If you have enjoyed the video, please like and share it. Please also provide me with your feedback in the comment section. I'll also be grateful if you could subscribe to my channel, and when subscribing, please don't forget to click on the notification bell. I'll see you again next week with a new recipe. Until then, please keep wearing your masks, stay safe, and bye.